Hello and welcome to this first tutorial video on how to make a denim jacket for your ragdoll. Here are all of the parts we need to make our denim jacket. For the back, we've got the back yoke, the back side panels and the back middle panel. We've got the two parts that make the sleeve. We've got two each of those. And the cuffs, two of those. We've got the parts for the front, that's the two front yoke pieces, the front side piece, the front centre piece, which is the opening, and the front middle piece, which goes in between. We've got the collar. I might actually swap one of these out for something patterned to give it a bit of interest. We've got the waistband, the back straps that go into the back of the jacket, these pockets, and as I say, I've cut two of these in a pattern fabric as well to go onto the front, so there'll be four pieces there. And we've got the facing, so that's the back facing and the two front facings. We'll start off with the back. So I don't need this back yoke piece at the moment. We're going to concentrate on these back panels. So I'm going to take a back side panel and place it onto the back middle panel. Now you need to make sure you've got this back middle panel the right way up, because it is shaped, it is angled in a little bit at the bottom, a bit narrower at the bottom. And then we'll do the same with the other side. I'm just thinking how nice it would be to be narrower at the bottom. There we go. And pin that in there, and we're going to sew this with a wider than usual 1 centimetre seam allowance because we're going to be top stitching. So on both of these edges, a 1 centimetre seam allowance. And then once that's done, I've actually done this in contrasting thread, but you don't need to. This is the bit you need to do in contrasting thread. So we're going to fold these in because our top stitch is going to be on the middle panel. You can pin those down if you want to. And I iron these at this point. And then we're going to top stitch in the contrasting thread down each of those. And now we're going to sew the back yoke into position. So lay it on there, wrong sides out, pin it into position, and as we did with the back sides and the back middle, we're going to do a 1 centimetre seam allowance across there so that we can then fold up that seam and top stitch across the back, and that's the back complete. That concludes our tutorial video. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, please subscribe. We'd love your feedback and a like. There are more videos coming soon.